What we liked about the green wall is that it tackled multiple aspects of sustainability, tackled energy efficiency in homes and commercial settings, and it also tackled creating a sense of place within our environment. So a green wall is a perfect way to bring nature and natural aspects into an urban setting.
7 groups of university grads under the Sustainable Eastern Ontario's internship program, along with invited businesses and partners, took up the challenge during the pandemic to showcase knowledge and sustainable options for everyday life in the Traveling Energy Cube.
So it improves your air quality, so the plants actually absorb and clean the air. They help as an insulator in your home on the wall, so that also helps lower energy consumption.
They can be found in both inside and outside of building walls. The greenery is often planted in a growth medium consisting of soil, stone, or water. And because the green walls consist of living plants, they usually have feature built-in irrigation systems.
The educational institutions have kind of adopted this as a norm, which is awesome because they can see the benefits of the interior plant walls.
Really, it's like thick iron wool. And then slowly it'll absorb water, and then the roots can kind of sit and nest in it.
Everyone says green wall or living wall, and in fact it's technically the best designation for it is Biofilter. This wall is connected to the building, so it's fully integrated. It acts like the lungs of the building. So whether we're right here or whether we're in a classroom on the 4th floor or a professor's office on the 15th floor, air gets circulated through the entire system. Does it help our energy bill? Absolutely it does. This system actually didn't cost us any more money to build and install inside the building because we were removing other parts of the building, like the humidification system. It's over 2,000 plants inside the wall. The designers of the wall looked at the NASA study that had been collected in terms of, if we wanted to put astronauts in space, how could we clean the air out in space in a cost-effective way? And they identified like 10 houseplants that were removing contaminants from the air. And so we've worked all of them into the wall. Why this wall? This living wall ends up being a better ambassador for what can get done. It gets right in your face. People see it, they flock to it. They can see a solution that's like right there, like I can make my building greener and I can do it in a way that makes you happy about it and that pulls you in. And I think that constant reminder that there are solutions out there.
So green infrastructure means energy conservation. Green walls would decrease the urban heat island effect and decrease temperature fluctuations at the wall surface. And that is because vegetation would cool buildings and the surrounding areas through a process of shading, reducing reflected heat and evapotranspiration. So green walls improve thermal insulation capacity, which can impact both cooling and heating.
This system is also powered by solar energy. This whole system would be independent of external energy sources, and it would be powered 100% by renewable energy.
The cheapest way that I believe you could do it is make a frame kind of like what we have without the water reservoir on the bottom, and then you have your layer of poly soil, the landscape fabric, and the mesh, like the steel mesh to kind of hold the plants in. And what you could essentially do is use a water spray bottle and just spray that. You can easily build your own green wall at home or for your office space. Here's a little DIY for a green wall. I've included the tools and materials needed to pretty much build exactly what we built, minus the water reservoir or solar irrigation system.
It has effects that are greater than just your bill at the end of the month. It improves your productivity, improves the way you look at the world, and it improves your mental health.